Welcome, today in front of me new iPad Air 2022 and I'll show you how to activate quick launch by triple tap to the power key on this device. So now we'll check. As can you see, by triple click the power key button I can enable any options here, and now I'll show you how we can activate this. So we should go first into the settings here, and now just find the accessibility section. Here scroll a little bit down to the accessibility shortcut, and here we can activate some features, for example the assistive touch. And now by triple click to the power key we can activate the assistive touch here. And also or for example we can switch it just to voice control or to zoom, for example to zoom. And now zoom is disabled, and now zoom is enabled here. And also we got the second way how we can do that, for example by using the assistive touch here. For example we can turn off this feature now, and here click to the touch and click to turn on the assistive touch on the switcher. And by just when you, for example, lock the device, you will see here there's just assistive touch, and by click here to this touch you can, for example, open the gestures or just open the notification center, or just, for example, when you'll open some apps here, you'll click here and click to the home, you'll just launch the home button for your device. So that's it. That's how you can activate quick launch on your iPad Air. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.